All right, ladies and gentlemen, how are you doing today? This is your boy again, Sergeant MC. I'm a comedian as well, and today I'll be talking to you, telling you about 5 funny and annoying things some Nigerians do. And before I move forward, please don't forget to follow us on our YouTube page at Sergeant MC. Click on the notification button so you can get some new videos whenever we post them, and also follow us on Facebook, on my Facebook page at official Sergeant MC, and also lastly on Instagram at Sergeant MC. All right, let's move on. 5 funny and annoying things some Nigerians do. One, have you ever noticed when you go for an event or you want to buy something in a supermarket or a shop, maybe a local place or some places, and somebody just walk up to you, maybe because you're looking good, smart, dressed, well dressed, and the guy just come up to you and like, bros, I did with you. Hello, somebody help me. Did I come along with somebody? Hello. No, I don't understand. You did with me. No, and their intention is to collect from you. So I cannot relate how you deal with me or with to collect from me. It's supposed to be like, oh, maybe you are with your friends and you're having some situation and your friend is that guy, we deal with you, nothing they happen. Or your friend is telling you, guy, I deal with you, nothing they happen. But no, you want to collect from me and you're telling me, bros, I deal with you. How does it? Kilo day, where are you coming from? Who invited you? Did I tell you to come and deal with me? Excuse me? It's annoying, crazy. But they do it and sometimes we let it slide. Number 2 is when you, for example, you are looking for an address and you met somebody and the next thing is like, bros, sorry, Shana number 2 be this. Like, seriously? No, seriously, sorry. No, what happened? You can just say, hello, excuse me, please, is this number 2? Which one be bros, sorry? You offend them? Oh, maybe we see ahead. Maybe the person you are going to meet has been offended, so you want to apologize before the person lambasts you. So we say sorry, but it's not supposed to be so. So sometimes people they do them and we feel it's something normal, but it can be annoying and funny at the same time. Number 3 is, for example, you're watching movie with somebody and the person is the chief of all the analyzer. Like, I can't imagine why Nigerians do these things. You are watching movie and somebody just starts talking. That guy goes to kill him. Open that guy. You go see what he do there. Can you keep quiet, please? Let me watch this movie in peace. Then we analyze and see before the end of the movie. And before you know, you don't enjoy the movie anymore. And we have that. A lot of people are doing that. Annoying. Number 4 is which one? Hey. No, I get my people here. I cannot come and be misbehaving. Number 4. You hear something like, sister or brother, I agree to. I don't understand. I agree to. I agree is not an English greeting or a greeting. Which one is I agree to? If you are greeting somebody, say, hello sir, good morning sir, good afternoon, good evening, how you doing, hello. Which one is I agree to? And Nigerians will respond, I agree to. I can't just imagine. It's annoying, it's crazy. Which one is I agree to? Hello sir, good morning, how are you, how's the family? Hope you guys are doing well. That is greeting. Which one is I agree to? But we they respond back, bros, I agree to too. It's annoying and very, very crazy funny. Then the last one, this one. I didn't sure say most of them know. An uncle or a friend that is older than you, or somebody who is proud and broke, doesn't want to ask you money, then they will not come stylishly. Broke, all these crazy people, they will not come stylishly and come and meet you because they know you have money, but they don't know how to ask it because of their proud and broke situation. They will not tell you, if you find me like 1K, but if you don't get, no worry. Like, say, no, don't do this to me now. Don't do this to me. No. Don't put me in hot seat. Don't label me as a bad person. Which one is if you don't get, no worry? No, now, come on. You know, say I get. Why? Which one is if you don't get, no worry? Come to me boldly and ask me. Then if you don't give it to them and they will tell you, see, you get money, nobody give me. Don't put me in that situation now, bros. Ask me. It's annoying. They do it a lot. Bros, if you give me like 5K there, but if you don't get, no worry. Which one? If you know, you shouldn't have even asked me at all. It's annoying. But this is what we do as Nigerians. Some Nigerians do. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Follow us on YouTube, Instagram at Sir Jones MC, on Facebook at Official Sir Jones MC, on Instagram at Sir Jones MC, and on our YouTube page at Sir Jones MC. Please click on the follow, the subscribe button, like, and comment. You can also tell us some funny things that you have noticed some Nigerians do on our comment section. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Bye.